Greetings and salutations. In this quick video, I want to show you how to light a match using a book match, a paper book match like this. It's fairly simple to do. I'm going to show you a little trick on how to do it, which makes it a lot easier. And then stick to the end, I'm going to give you a little service announcement. So of course, if you need to light a match, if you need to light a candle, if you got a campfire, I want to show you how to do it. It's fairly simple to do. So yes, the paper book matches used to be a lot more available back when it was more acceptable to do you-know-what, and they would have them in hotels, restaurants, they'd give them out for free. So it's very simple to do. You just take one of the paper matches out like this, and of course here is where you strike the match, and with friction that will light. So for decades what I would do is I would use the cover of my paper matches and use it as friction where my finger never comes even close to the flame. So what I would do is for decades I'd hold it here on the side like this, and you want to push down with your thumb, but don't push down too hard, just enough to where you get some friction. All right, again, real quick, I just do this, hold it like that. And of course you can switch sides. The problem is, what happens is it wears out, the sanding part gets worn out on the sides and nothing in the middle, and then you'll run out of sanding paper here by the time you get to the end of all your matches, and then they're worthless. So what you can do instead, this is even better, is to use the center portion as well. So instead of going from the sides, what I'll do is go here from the end like this, and that's enough friction from here to here for it to light. See, like this. And then the next one I might do here on the other side. Might do one right here next, like that. Just be very careful when you do it this way. Just visually check real quick the actual cardboard, make sure it's not starting to catch on fire, because 1 out of 100 will do that. Now I'll put in the comment section where you can get a whole book of 50 of these matches for only $7 off of Amazon. I'll put that in the comment section. And in a second here, I want to give you my little service announcement. So these are very good, like I said, for camping, for lighting a candle, or for whatever. All right, my quick service announcement is if you are flirting with the idea of picking up a habit, and we know what the habit is, I'm not going to mention it because of terms and conditions on YouTube, but we know the habit. If you're flirting with the idea, if you've been doing it for a couple of weeks with your friends and you're sneaking out, you're doing it, or if you found a couple of your dad's you-know-what around and you're playing around and you found a book match, or you have a lighter, or you have one of these, don't do it. Don't do it. I'm telling you right here, the very first one, you will regret it. And yes, your life will flash before you, and then you'll be 40 or 50 if you make it that long, and you will regret you'll spend tens of thousands of dollars, not hundreds, not thousands, tens of thousands of dollars in money. It will deteriorate your health. There's 7,000 chemical compounds, and we know what we're talking about, and they will go into your lungs and they will damage your body, and you think that you can quit? You won't. The best thing to do is, even if you've done it for a few weeks, if you've done it for a few months, stop now. Don't wait till tomorrow. Don't wait till next week. I know you're stressed. I know you have anxiety. You have things coming up in life. Find a different alternative. Go out and go to a nice restaurant, swim, exercise, talk to a friend. Do anything but that. I had an uncle who started when he was very, very young, and 5 years ago I had the misfortune of seeing him be like a fish out of water because he was dying of, and that he was actually diagnosed with that at the age of 40. All right, and he tried to quit thousands of times, not hundreds, thousands of times, and at the very end, because of his lung issues he was having issues breathing, he was having hallucinations, he couldn't catch his breath, and finally one morning he just passed away. It was an awful way to see a human being to pass away, and it's because of he was doing the habit. So please, please stop. Think about all the money you want to save. the health, the quality of life that you're going to get by stopping. Even if you've been doing it for 10 years, stop immediately, and you're going to see so much compounding health benefits and life benefits by stopping. You will thank yourself every day. Make sure you save this video, and every time you think about going back to the habit, think about this video and what I'm saying of what you don't want to happen to your life, and I'm telling you, it'll motivate you to not do it ever. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.